Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix TeamCity login issues, server and permission errors step by step clearly. Open the TeamCity login page in your web browser. Attempt to log in with your credentials. If you encounter a login error, check if the server is running. Open a command prompt or terminal window. Type the command to check the TeamCity server status. If the server is not running, start it using the appropriate command. Next, verify your database connection. Open the database settings in your TeamCity configuration. Ensure the database server is accessible and credentials are correct. If your database has been recently migrated, check for any updates required. Once you confirm the server and database connections, focus on user permissions. Log into the TeamCity administration interface. Navigate to the Users section in the Administration settings. Select the user account experiencing the login issue. Confirm that the user has the appropriate group assignments and permissions. If the user is missing permissions, assign the necessary roles. Save changes and exit the user settings. Now, return to the login page and attempt to log in again. If login issues persist, check the server logs for detailed error messages. Open the TeamCity logs directory in your file system. Look for recent entries that correspond to your login attempts. Review the errors to identify any specific permissions or configuration problems. If needed, adjust the server configuration based on the log findings. After making changes, restart the TeamCity server for the updates to take effect. Finally, try logging in once more with the updated settings. If issues remain unresolved, consult the TeamCity support documentation for additional troubleshooting steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.